All right. Hey everyone, it's John. Welcome to Thursday, the 7th of May, 2026. And OBS and Unreal Engine are not working together nicely anymore because there is Slowdown. I'm just going to hit play. I can't. Spinning beach ball. Still Thursday. But I figure we need to bypass OBS, so it's iPhone, AirPods. Let's see how this goes. I have recorded. I had a little mishap today. I created this new blueprint. Very simple. It's to tell the player that he's on land, and that means he's no longer in the water. He's no longer swimming. Very simple. The way I had set it up with this river blueprint that I'm now dropping all over the place is there's this box right here. If you're not inside this box, then you're no longer swimming, which of course you can immediately see that when you exit here, you're still in the water as far as the game is concerned. So I turned this box off. So I turned that off, but then instead, I need to know for certain when you're on land. There's only certain areas where you can go on land. So now to just do a very quick play test. Everything is slowing down today. I don't know what's happening. What I do know is that I built all this, and then I found out that I accidentally deleted all of the collision that I built over the last couple of days. So I had to undo all the work of today in order to get the collision back. Luckily, it did. It was just unfortunate at the start of the day, and then I had to rebuild everything. It wasn't very complicated, but it took me a moment to realize what I've done. Okay, play tests. There's a little lag here and there, but for the most part, it seems to be working. So there's a river box in action, as you can see. So now when I am clearly outside of the river box, no problem, we are still swimming. The problem, of course, is that I should be able to get out of the water here, or this is one of those slopes that isn't working. I never did figure out how to stop him from punching while in water. So these are the original slopes, and they always allow me to just walk out. So now you are swimming on land. A land shark, effectively. And we need to put an end to that. Why is it not responding? Okay. This is the stuff that drives me nuts. Like, again, the slowdown, things are clearly happening in Unreal Engine behind the scenes, and I just don't know what's happening. All right, let's see. We need to just drop this in. Why would it do that? Why would it? What is happening? I've never seen this bug. Undo clicking on elements. Let's drop it in the game one more time. Why would the tile not go invisible? I don't understand. All right, guess we'll just hit save, hit quit, and call it a day.